Lovely people, welcome to my channel. My name is Naturally DC, and in today's video we are going to use cinnamon to balance our irregular period and also use to treat our PCOS, that is polycystic ovarian syndrome. You know, it can help regulate insulin levels in your body, which may have an effect on the other hormones and the cycle in women with the polycystic ovarian syndrome, who often have high insulin level and irregular period. Cinnamon provide a warm main effect within the body. It even eradicates menstrual cramps. It is naturally caffeine free. It can be enjoyed anytime throughout the day. It contains a natural chemical called cinnamonyl-hide, which studies shows increases the hormonal progesterone and decreases the testosterone production in women. It helps in balancing hormones. It also reduces the chronic inflammation linked with the neurological disorders. So please, if today is your first time watching my video, please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon if you are interested in learning how to treat certain diseases, such as let's say, as we have normal period, doing everything yourself, learning how to do things like this in a way not to spend much worry, because we have, as women, we have high in PCOS syndrome because of our ovary system. So I decided to do this video for all of us to learn how to go about it. So don't forget to share and subscribe to your friends. So I need cinnamon, 1 glass, and I think honey is optional. This stage honey is optional. Then I need warm water. So I'm going to pour let me start by adding the cinnamon. So I'm going to take 1 teaspoon. Okay, maybe I'll add half to it. Then I'll add my warm water to it. Then you stir. It really smells good. I really love cinnamon and how it works for our system. If you don't have the cinnamon powder, you can also use the cinnamon stick that we have. You can dip it into a boiling water for some time. Then so this stage I've told you it's optional, so if you don't have pure honey or any honey to use for this thing, you just have to the cinnamon alone, which tastes great and nice. It tastes sweet, it tastes nice. So you add to it, then you stir. When you get to the market, you can get some there. It's really cheap and affordable, and it's available. This is a kitchen ingredient that we found in our kitchen, so please don't be worried about it. When you get to the market, it's easy accessible. So I'm done. I'm going to allow it to cool down a little, then take it. The dosage is you take it in the morning before breakfast and in the evening to regulate your menstrual flow. All right, thanks for watching.